Hey business owners, here are 3 things you should know about SBA loans before you apply. First, an SBA loan is not guaranteed government money. What it is a loan from the bank or a verified SBA partner lending company, and this loan is partially guaranteed by the SBA or Small Business Administration. The bank or lending company underwrites it, services it, and decides whether you do or do not qualify. So right there, it's super important to verify what company or lending institution you're working with before you start the process. This is especially important because these can take a long time. It's often measured in months, not in weeks. The typical range is about 1 to 3 months as far as the processing and underwriting time. Therefore, don't put all your eggs in this one basket. You might go through the process for 2 months before you find out that you're not approved. On this note, the standards are typically higher for an SBA loan. Lenders and banks are going to look for clean financials, consistent revenue, a high personal credit score or scores if there's multiple business owners. They'll look at your last few years of taxes and all that other good stuff. So you really want to make sure your ducks are in a row before you pursue this type of funding. Next, rates and fees. Compared to unsecured loans, the rates are definitely a lot lower, usually tied to the prime rate. So this means mid to high single digits. But because you're probably working with an online company or a fintech lender, the rates, broker fees, and packaging fees, and all other types of fees will likely apply. Make sure you really push at the very beginning of the process to see if there's any types of broker fees or lender fees before you go through the whole process. Unfortunately, it's very common for this to be left as a surprise for you at the end. Lastly, what happens if you default? Most SBA loans do require a personal guarantee. So if the business defaults on the loan, banks can pursue your assets or collateral in order to recoup their funds. Remember that the Small Business Administration is protecting the bank or lending institution, not you. If you found this SBA loan breakdown useful, share this with another business owner and give me a follow. Thanks.